Sometimes, making a few inline changes during deployment isn't enough. When you need to apply large-scale deployment adjustments across projects, workflows, users, or custom fields, Configuration Manager for Jira Cloud gives you another option. Bulk transformations let you download your deployment mapping as a JSON file, modify how configuration elements will be deployed, and apply those changes back to the deployment, all without leaving the deployment flow. After running the deployment analysis, open the Analyze page and click Bulk Transformations in the top right corner. From here, you can download the current configuration mapping generated by CMJ Cloud. This JSON file contains all configuration elements included in the deployment scope, along with information about how they'll be deployed to the destination site. Once the file is downloaded, you can modify it to change deployment behavior before continuing with the deployment. For example, you can change a project key to avoid conflicts or deploy the project separately. You can also rename a workflow scheme so it gets deployed as a new object instead of matching an existing one on the destination site. And when working with users, you can correct invalid email addresses, merge multiple source users into a single Jira Cloud account, or map a source user directly to a specific destination user. After updating the JSON file, return to the Bulk Transformations dialog and upload the modify file. CMJ Cloud automatically validates the JSON structure, applies the transformations, and runs a fresh analysis to detect conflicts or invalid mappings before deployment continues. Once the analysis completes, you can review the updated deployment changes and continue with deployment as usual. Bulk transformations give you precise control over how configurations are deployed between Jira Cloud sites, making it easier to handle complex migrations, large-scale configuration updates, and advanced deployment scenarios, all within a single deployment flow.